In this video, I want to show you how to change existing programming code on a Honeywell or Tru-bolt Keypad lock. So here I have the Honeywell Keypad lock installed and it's got the same programming as Tru-bolt. So whatever works here is going to work on your Tru-bolt lock. So to change the programming code, the first thing you want to do is to enter the current programming code. That's the one you want to change. And hit the unlock button and press 4. Hit the unlock button. Now you need to enter a new programming code, 6-digit. And hit unlock. Enter the code again. And hit unlock. A green flash showing the programming is successful, so your new programming code is now active, and that's what you're going to use for other programming. So that's how to change a programming code on a Honeywell or Tru-bolt Keypad lock. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.